morning, students. Today I will like to take the exercise question number 14. Okay, solid state exercise question number 14, that is derive a relationship between radius of octahedral void and radius of atoms in close packing. Okay, in close packing you can draw this diagram. The four spheres are in direct contact. So in the center there is a void, octahedral void. How you can say it is octahedral void? Now these four spheres are in direct contact. One sphere is above this void. ये जो आपको छोटा sphere दिख रहा है, this is the void. Void means this is the empty space here. ओके अब इसके ऊपर एक स्फीयर है और इसके एक नीचे है, above and below sphere, that is not shown here for the simplicity. Okay, now this sphere is in direct contact with the six spheres. This sphere is the void. This void is in direct contact with the six spheres. Four you can see. One is above this void and one is below this void. So we have to derive the relationship between radius of this void. इस void का जो radius है, that is the small r, and radius of sphere, that is capital R. Okay, हमने small r and capital R में relation derive करना है in the octahedral case, for the octahedral void. Okay, so make this triangle A B C. You can simplify it. उसको आप वहाँ से इस triangle को यहाँ पे, you can see here, this is the void. Okay, R is the radius of void and this capital R is the radius of sphere. Okay, now in this triangle ABC, BC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now put the values. What is BC here? BC you have to calculate. Now what is AB? AB is equal to small r plus capital R. Same AC is equal to small r plus capital R. So write down R plus R square plus R square. So both are same. So this will be R plus R square. आगे आप 2 लिख दो यहाँ पे 2. ओके, BC square. Now what is BC here? BC is equal to, this is R, this is R. It means 2R. So BC is equal to 2R square. Clear? So you can take 2 here on this side. You will get to this 2 will be cancelled. We are left with 2R square is equal to R plus R square. Then R plus R will be equal to under root of 2R square. That will be equal to under root 2R. Okay. Now R is equal to under root 2R minus R, that is equal to R, यहाँ से R कॉमन ले लो, under root 2 minus 1. Okay, that will be equal to R 1.414 minus 1 under root 2, value of under root 2 is 1.414, okay, minus 1. So you will get small r is equal to 0.414 r. Okay, so this is the relationship between small r and capital R. So small r is the radius of void, octahedral void. Capital R is the radius of sphere. So r is equal to 0.414 r. So you have to derive this relation. आपको ये question भी आ सकता है और direct this relation can be used in the numericals. Okay, you can try for the relationship between radius of tetrahedral void and radius of sphere, radius of atom. अब आपने tetrahedral void लेना है. Just try this yourself. Okay, you can draw the diagram like this for the simplicity. आपने यहाँ पे क्या करना है कि ये जो यहाँ से है, यहाँ पे sphere नहीं है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने ये void show कर दिया, because you have to show that this void is in contact with the 4 spheres. Okay, so with this you can calculate or you can derive the relationship between small r and capital R. That will be small r is equal to 0.225 r. Okay, so also try this.